The Sports Authority of India Sai Training Centre, Shillong today organised the Talent Identification Programme under the Khelo India Rising Talent Hunt, Kirti Mai Bharat at Sai Nehu, Shillong. Around 527 youth from the different districts of Meghalaya participated in the programme. The sports activities included athletics, boxing and football. T.S. Chavan, Assistant Director, Sai STC Shillong, said that the programme is the initiative of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs to identify the distinctive skills and talents of the youth so that they can be provided with proper training in any sports discipline and an opportunity to represent India at the international level.
This program has been initiated by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to identify the right talent and provide them the opportunity to grow in this sport ecosystem that we are trying to build in India. So these kids, we are trying to identify the basic skill set, young kids, so they can be groomed in this ecosystem and provided the right facilities so that they can perform at the international stage.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature